So today we're trimming some of this tree bird of paradise. One of the main reasons is that the birds, these guys right here, are dropping a lot of sap on this mailbox, and that's the next door neighbor's mailbox, and you see how it's dripping there. So my client asked me to trim it off because it's on her side. I've already started trimming it. The part that was dropping off, I'm still going to trim a little bit more back there, the birds and some of the leaves. But she was saying, how are you going to do it? It's so high. And I said, don't worry about it, we'll get it done. It won't be that hard. So anyway, we'll show you how to get that done. How we're going to do it. So anyway, that's how you can get it done. You got these extension poles. You can actually add another one to it, a third one, and it gets pretty high. And then you can even go with a ladder. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe and share. Thank you.